Force Factor Longjack Tongkat Ali Review. Does it actually boost your testosterone? So, the supplement is designed to support testosterone levels, enhance energy, and improve male vitality. It's marketed as a natural solution for men seeking better performance both in and out of the gym. So let's talk about the pros of it. It contains the Tongkat Ali, a well-known herbal which extract traditionally used to support the male health. It also has a testosterone support. It also offers energy and stamina for some users, which improve their endurance and vitality. And it has a reputable brand produced by the Force Factor. The cons of it though, there are some mixed results, and they even have a limited scientific backing. So there's not enough evidence that showed in the studies, and there are some potential side effects of it though, which can cause a lot of issues. And it has a premium price as well, so it can get more expensive. So although it may help support testosterone and energy levels, the results vary widely. It's best for men seeking a natural supplement, though cheaper standalone Tonkat Ali options exist.